Did you know you can use Microsoft Word without paying for Microsoft 365 subscription? If you only need Word to create, edit, and save documents, you can actually use Microsoft Word directly from web browser. If you want to use PowerPoint, you just need to go to Google and yeah, type Microsoft Word online, something like that. Then if you are using PowerPoint, you can also try to, or Microsoft Excel, just type it Microsoft Excel online. You can see Microsoft Excel will show here. So that's it. So what you do is that for this Microsoft Word, you need to log in and sign in, and for all of them. So once you come here, you click on sign in. So it's going to take you to the place where you sign in with your Microsoft details. If you don't have an account, you can create one. So yeah, once you are already signed in, you go to create a blank document if you want to do so. Or if you want to continue from where you stopped, you can see it here. Yes, so what you do is you can also upload a file from your computer. Once you click on uploading a file, you can, if you have some Microsoft Word documents already saved, you can click on them and they will upload, and you continue editing that, you can save it back. Or if you want to create a new document, you click on create a new document. So once you click on that, you can type anything you want to type here, and you can just save it like easy. Just click on, yeah, you just click on create a copy. You can download a copy, or you can save it online in your OneDrive. Basic things that you want to do on Microsoft, you can see all the functions here. If you want to shift the text to the middle or to the other edge, or if you want to label it one, or use this buttons, the basic things that you can do on your, if you want to underline your text, you want to make it italics, bold, yeah, different text size, the fonts you need for text, the font size also there too, and all of that. So the basic things that you can do on your on Microsoft Word. If you want to make a table and all of that, there everything is that you basically need for basic use for Microsoft. Like this, why I even did it is that to edit my CVs, cover letter, and all of that. So what I'll just do is that I'll go to open, and you can see my recent documents here. So I can open from device like I told you that time I showed you example. So this one I'm going to just click on one random one, and you can see it's online. So what I'll just do is that I'll click on file, and I showed you how you save a copy. You say download a copy. Once you download the copy, you can continue editing your documents on another computer. So far you log in your Microsoft account there, or your Word account, automatically saved online to documents. So you can also print it to, yeah, PDF. You can see it's already in PDF format now. Then let's see another one. Let's go here, click online, click on it, or you click on download. Then it goes to your computer. You can see here that's shown that it's been downloaded. Then you click on it, then you can open it. But if once you open it, send to whoever you want to save, send to. And that's how you can install Microsoft Word online completely free without installing the desktop application. As you can see, you can create documents, format your text, add pictures. Subscription maybe it's too expensive for your monthly subscription. Just use Word online. Give the online version a try. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notification for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.